Hello techies, I hope you are all doing well. So in this video, we are going to learn how to run Kali Linux on your Windows 11. So let's start. So first of all, go to your browser and search for VirtualBox because we are going to run Kali Linux with the help of VirtualBox. So you need to download it from the website. Go to the downloads section and from here download this VirtualBox for Windows because we are now using Windows. So after clicking on this, the download process will be start here. Because I have downloaded already, that's why I am not going to download this again. Similarly, you need to download Kali Linux from its official website. So search for Kali Linux download and go to the first website, and here go with this virtual machines because we are running Kali Linux with the help of virtual machines. So click on this and click on this 64-bit and go with this VirtualBox. Click on this. After clicking on this VirtualBox, you can see the download process has been started here. So I have downloaded already, that's why I am not going to download this again. After that, you need to download an installer, that is 7-zip application, because this it will download the zip file of Kali Linux, that is of I think 3 to 4 GB file. So you need to extract this file using the 7-zip application. So type 7-zip download. Okay, so I have also downloaded it already, that's why I am not doing this again. Click on this download link. This is the latest file, and after that install the VirtualBox. See, I have installed already here. So after downloading VirtualBox, you can search here VirtualBox. You can see an exe file because I have installed it already, that's why it is not showing here. After installing the VirtualBox, you need to extract that Kali Linux file. So see, this is the Kali Linux file. This is extracted file. After downloaded, you can see as a zip file here because I have extracted here already, that's why it is not showing a zip file. So you need to first extract this zip file, and after that you can see here two files. First is VirtualBox machine definition and the second one is VirtualBox virtual disk image file. So with the help of this virtual disk image, the Kali Linux will be running on your Windows 11. After doing this, open the VirtualBox and see, this is already showing here Kali Linux 2023 version, and go to the settings tab. From the system menu, you need to select this keep as it is 2048 MB, okay, which is similar to 2 GB, that is base memory. And after that, go to the processor and keep as it is 4 CPUs, okay. and after that go to the storage section, and here you need to select this Kali Linux VirtualBox disk image file. Okay, see here, this is .vdi format. For this, if you are not showing this here, because I have already setting up this by default, so click on this plus icon, add a hard disk, and click on this add option, and you can see this Kali Linux VirtualBox, this virtual disk image. After double clicking on it, you can set up here this Kali Linux VirtualBox. Okay, so I am going to cancel this because I have already created this here. Click on this OK, and click on this normal start option. It is taking some time. So see, Kali Linux is booting in 1 second. See, Kali Linux has been started on your Windows 11. Now you can do anything from here, whatever you want to do. Basically, Kali Linux is used for security purposes, and it is being used in ethical hacking also. So by default the username is Kali, and also the password is Kali. Click on this login button, and you can see this is started. Now you can do anything from here. So I want to go with this command prompt, and I want to type some command like ls -a. See, everything is working fine. So these are the process. With the help of, you can run your Kali Linux on your Windows 11 system. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.